would like to share like what Aaron sinabi niya. I'm actually a palliative and hospice care specialist. I'm apart from that, I'm a family physician. I'm also an academician. So like sinasabi kanina, about palliative care. Yes, I really promote dahil we are really up to quality life, ano, yung quality life ng pasyente. So, it's not a question, maski I'm a medical doctor, I always say, sinasabi ko na, as long that it helps, why not? Basta wag lang, yes, but I'm very strict. As much as possible, sinasabi namin, continue pa rin yung monitoring natin, yung laboratory workups, walang problema po dyan. Especially si Johan, he's a nephrologist, very strict din siya. Lahat ng iniinom, anything that goes in, ano, so basically, nag-ano kami. But alam ni Aaron, every Saturday, we have a lot of patients from adhesive capsulitis, low back pain, ang dami na, mga MPS, ang dami ng mga ano natin, ano po. But ito po talaga ang I'm so blessed at we continue to sinusuportahan namin yung kasama namin sa work because I'm teaching also sa UP. I'm the department chair ng medicine department. I'm together with me is may kasama akong professor din, which I learned na may anak siya na chronically na bedridden na talaga, ano po. I was so touched kasi nakikita ko yung sacrifice ni Sir. Umuwi almost every weekend, and then one time doon sa GC na I saw yung isang picture about a pediatrician na may chronic din na inalagaan ano na pediatric patient, but then eventually nakita ko na may magandang progress, so I shared. Although nag-ano rin ako, baka sabihin ng mga kasama ko sa health professional na baka o ano to, baka ano lang to, parang it's not real, but because ang sabi ko naman wala namang mawawala. So eventually in-introduce ko kay Sir Ace, which is later on, dire-diretso na to, Sir Ace, he is with us. He is one of the professors then ng midwifery and nursing. And he is a graduate of the Bachelor, Juris Doctor actually, LLB. Opo. So siya na po ang mag-explain everything because hindi ko po talaga hindi ko ma-explain at saka I cannot describe then yung tuwa namin na yung simpleng machine na ito. We are very blessed dahil kasama nga namin yung mga bunso naming mga kapatid, si Aaron tsaka si Asel. We've been together, ano po,